this is my bucket list for Northeast. Tell me, places I want to go to or I have been to. But if you were to choose, or if people from our viewers were to choose from Assam, Kaziranga or Majuli Island?
Both are very good. I would say Majuli for the culture. Okay. Kaziranga, many people have gone. Majuli. Go to Majuli.
Okay. In Meghalaya, I've been to Cherrapunji.
So we don't call it Cherrapunji. If you're indigenous, we call it Sora. Oh. That is the original word, Sora. Okay. But Maulinong is very good, but they are very close by. I would also say go to Lightlum.
Okay.
And in Garo Hills, go to I think Balpakram. In Garo Hills, you should go to Balpakram.
Okay. Jampui Hills? Is that how you pronounce it?
Jampui Hills is beautiful, but I would suggest go to Unnakoti. The Unnakoti, where the carvings are there. Unnakoti.
The caves, no?
Those are the caves. Or also, you should go to Montang. Montang is a beautiful place.
So I wanted to go to
आपको थोड़ा सा हट के बताएंगे.
So caves, I'm a bit claustrophobic, so I was a little worried.
Unnakoti is these carvings, 8th century carvings, where you have pictures of goddesses and gods. You should put it up in your Unnakoti, 1 less than a crore.
Oh, acha, that way.
Yeah, ये देखिए.
Oh, okay.
8th century है.
हाँ. It's something like the Malaysia caves. Wonderful.
And they're huge.
And they're pristine, no? They're still preserved and...
That's Durga is there, Nandi is there. There are own traditional gods and goddesses.
To have survived all these years. Okay, next. Can we see the next one? Sikkim.
Glacial lakes.
The glacial lakes?
Yeah, Sikkim is beautiful. People are beautiful. The people are so hospitable. Sikkim, the lakes.
Okay. In case the viewers and listeners, you try to correct me to say Sikkim is not part of Seven Sisters. Yes, it is. So
it's
the eighth sister. So please don't try to fact check me in this. Nagaland.
Hornbill Festival is beautiful. War Cemetery is a historical place, but Khonoma village is beautiful. You should go there. And Hornbill Festival in December. Again, Nagas, some of the most hospitable people. हम लोग पश्तून के बारे में बात करते हैं ना. नागा का दोस्ती एक बार हो गया, they will protect you. They will till the end of their life. A friendship with a Naga is a permanent friendship.
Okay, nice. Manipur,
yes, floating
lakes or the
Loktak. You should go to the Loktak Lake. It's beautiful. Manipur also go and try their different food. They have beautiful different types of cuisines. Again, Manipur culturally very rich.
So this is what I want to do. I want to go to the INA Memorial too.
Mizoram. Yeah, Blue Mountain.
How do you pronounce this? Phanpui?
Phanpui.
And the Blue Mountain and its nature park?
Yeah.
Or the Dampa Tiger
Dampa is also very nice. Again, Mizoram is very different.
Difficult to reach, no? It's like
Aizawl is difficult. Aizawl is again, unfortunately, the only part of India which got bombed by its own Air Force in the 60s. Yes. So that is there.
Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang Monastery.
Beautiful. Then you should go to Along, Pasighat. I've swam in the rivers of Kambha and Pasighat area. Tawang is beautiful, but if you go to the Adi Galo area, also is very good. Nishi areas are also very good. Then you should try the Apung, and then you should go for the Losar or the Nyokum and Mopin. They are these festivals.
Okay.
And then you should go for the Zero Festival.
Zero Festival.
There's a Zero. It'll happen in the next coming month. Music festival. Wonderful time.
And
you should go for the Zero Festival. You should go.
I want to go to
Tell
the
Pema
Sela
Khandu
Pass.
to invite you. Sela Pass वो तो अपना था ना वो. It's a very
I
famous.
have to see because I have to see it.
मुझे लगता था वो हकीकत पिक्चर थी.
Yeah.
उसमें प्रिया राजवंश और धर्मेंद्र ने लास्ट में सोनम के साथ they stopped the Chinese.
Yeah, that's the sad one.
Chetan Anand's. What a great movie.
Have to see that. So I think my family also has a history with that. Lost a relative.
So your family was in the army?
In the army. The family I'm married to, somebody lost their life in that
My
war.
grandfather was, of course, the commander-in-chief, and he got a recipient of the Burma Star for fighting in the Second World War. My father was an honorary colonel. In fact, after independence, the Tripura army, the Tripura Royal Army merged with the Assam Rifles. So we still have the bell there with the Assam Rifles, and the Assam Rifles have preserved all the Tripura Army, which merged with the Assam Rifles. That's also a part of history which very few people know. But the Assam Rifle acknowledges it.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.